Hello everyone, very good morning and good evening. Welcome to the Game of High Flyers next episode. And in this episode, I have with me Mr. Siddesh. So before I put my gun to Siddesh, let me give a quick introduction about Siddesh. So Siddesh has done his engineering in electronics and communication, and he has experience of 3 years. He has worked as a desktop support engineer. He has worked into the healthcare. COVID impacted him badly, and then he thought of that, switching his career and joining some profile which would be very good. Somebody suggested him go to SAP, and then he searched for SAP. He found Sastrageek. He took training from us in the month of May and June. He took the training. He took training on Basis with our trainer, very famous trainer on Basis, Mr. Aditya. He took the training. In May, June, he took the training, and August he got placed with one of the well-known company, and now he has already joined it as a basis consultant. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos. So that's a very brief introduction about Siddesh. Siddesh, with that introduction, I will welcome you on the show. Welcome. Warm welcome.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Good morning. My name is Siddesh. I completed my graduation in electronics and telecommunication engineering from 2018 batch. Then I started working as a desktop support engineer in Nick Enterprises, where is dealing with desktop, basically desktop. Then after due to COVID, there's a major impact in all over world and me also. Because of the COVID, my companies get shut down. Then after I realized something need to be happen, but due to the COVID there are the too many restriction. There is no free hand to do anything. Just I wait for some times, and then I join a healthcare company called Devil Base Healthcare, where I do the oxygen concentrator machine servicing, preferably in electronics domain. Then I realized there should be something need to be happen in IT industry. From the back of my mind, I to need to something do in IT industry. That's why I realized what should I do. Should I go with the software developer? Should I go with the previous background, just like desktop support engineer or a network engineer, or do else? What should I do? Then one of my friend has joined the basis consultant in a reputed company. He told me that you just look out the what is the SAP. You just Google it, or it take the information about what is the SAP. If you like, then you join the SAP. No need to directly join. First you check what is the SAP. Then I go search on YouTube. I fascinate about the SAP because SAP started in 1972. From the date it is the introduced to the market till now, it is the market leader of the ERP industry. And that is the fascinating to me, because the IT industry is very fastly moving technology. You must be parallel with the technology. If you stop learning, you will stop going. Yeah, in SAP there is the same, but SAP is the something which can we do more. SAP basically is it is a ocean, and I like to dive in that ocean. That's why I search for the various modules like ABAP modules. I come to know what is the SAP, then I know functional, what is the do functional consultation, what is the my role as a technical. My background is a technical. That was search for the what technical people do in SAP. Then I got to know about the ABAP. Then I got to know about the basis. Then I choose the basis because I little bit slow in logical developer thing. That's why I am more towards the basis, because my previous experience is also from the solution incident solution regarding. That's why I joined the basis. I confirmed that I want to do the in basis. This is my final decision. Then I know to how to do that, because I make the decision, but how to do that. That's why I keep searching. That's why I come to know about the Shastrageek. It is the best institute which are providing the remotely. Just not remotely, it is the just like your classroom. You can join. You get what you get in a physical classroom. You get that same knowledge you get in remotely. Just because it is a virtually, that's mean not it is a not difference in knowledge. Knowledge is that much up to date what you get in physical room. That's why I joined the Sastrageek solution. Then then the journey is it is a very good journey,
Like
because
a
I
butter on
think
the
I
parantha.
enjoy a lot. I enjoy a lot, as per my I like to say that after the schooling days, I like the after the schooling, I like these sessions. It
Mm-hmm.
reminds me of my school days, because AJ sir, Aditya sir is very good. He is telling about the throughout the knowledge, even the scratch from the scratch. Even though no one understand what is the SAP, how it's work, what is the functions of SAP, what is the module in it, you can just see the demo lecture also. You can realize all the things. You clear the all doubt how do your career path also is it from the starting. As a, you can join as a trainee or as a junior consultant, what you can get from after the 10 years or 5 years, what is your, you can see yourself. You can, he almost every doubt he solved me. Then the journey started. I joined the demo lecture, and Shastrageek solution is the interface is so good. Aman is there for every time. Whenever we stop the session or over the session, within 20 to 12 hours we get the recordings of the sessions. It is the too handy for it. Anytime you can call him, like the server is not working and any other thing, he is the sorted within a half an hour. It is always for there. Aditya sir is always for there. Any apart from the session, you can call him anytime. He is for ready for any solutions. Very good. That's why I'm suggesting the Shastragis is very best. And just not for the basis. You can join any functional course. It is a very good training.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos. Thank you, Siddesh, for that kind words. I know about the Aditya. Aditya is not a trainer; he is a coach. He will make you sit and work the things. That kind of approach he has, and that makes people successful. With the basis, with the Aditya, we have many students almost placed in all kind of companies, all the big four consulting companies. They are students who have been taught basis by Aditya. So one of the things, Siddesh, I want you to put a little bit more light, because one thing is that I do also one-to-one consulting, a lot of one-to-one consulting, career coaching, and I found that selection of a module is very important, right? Selection of
Mhm.
a module is very important, and really like the way you selected going on your own, starting from searching what is SAP, what are the different modules, what is your interest, what you can do, what is there, and then you identify, okay, this is the module which would be good for me, right? Many and other people are there who are not able to do that. I have seen many people, they just see, ask sir, opportunities किसमें सबसे ज्यादा हैं, पैसा सबसे ज्यादा किसमें मिलता है, which field has more money. I told them, boss, the 20% in any module people would be earning very high, any module you pick it
Okay.
up. But your selection of module was very good. So if somebody is coming out as a electronics and communication engineers, as a computer engineer, from the IT or from any another background, people are also there from domain like BSc, BA also they want to do it. For those people who are coming out, if you want to suggest them that how they need to select the module, what would be your core tips, that what module they need to select it, why they select it, and what should be the key pointers on their module selection?
Okay. Okay. First thing, when you graduate as a freshly, the universities are just giving just knowledge, book knowledge, but no one giving you the practical knowledge. First thing, you should be understand what is your skill. Identify that. Follow your heart. What domain you can do better. If you have the logical thinking is better, you can coding very well. You can in specifically SAP, you can go with the ABAP in anything. Firstly, you identify yourself, which module in which IT domain you are fixed. You can like to do that. In coding, you can do very well. I like to resolve the issue. As a electronics background, we identify the issue, what is the, how the TV is working, what is the technology behind, when to do, when is not working properly. That is the my skill. I like to understand the issue and resolve that issue. That's why no, choose the basis, because the basis is related to the all issue. In any there in a SAP system happens, you contact the SAP basis consultant to do take care of that things. That's why I choose for. There is a lots of things you can as an engineer. One of my friend is the engineer background, but he's doing in MM as a functional consultant because he likes the MM functional consultant. He'll learn to input the material stocks and analysis. That's why he joined as a functional consultant. That no restriction if you are a technical background. That's why you always choose for the technical. You can whenever go as a functional consultant, you can work as a basis consultant, as a ABAP consultant, whatever you want to do. First thing, follow your hearts. What skill you identify your skill, what is your what you inside your heart, and what is your inside skills. That will help you a lot. That
Very
is
good.
my suggestion to all.
Very good suggestion, very good message, Siddesh, that follow your heart. Don't run behind that the opportunities, where are the more opportunities, where are the more money. The important is your interest. Okay. Where is your interest? What you can do, follow your heart, try to follow your interest. Any field you will pick it up. Always remember top 20, and after the top 20, top 4% in any module, any field, they will earn like anything. If you become a master or best of any of the thing, any of the module, you will earn good. Okay, but follow your interest. If you follow your interest, you would be able to learn easily. Now, Siddesh, one more question I have. So many people does not know about basis. They have a lot of questions whether I would be able to learn it. So how difficult it was to learn basis, and whether some kind of coding experience or coding is required in the basis?
As far the coding is not required for the basis, just know about the, you need to three things: OS knowledge, OS related knowledge. After that, the small networking related knowledge, and as a SAP related knowledge, application related knowledge, any application related knowledge. These three things are necessary for the basis. If you are going with the ABAP, you should know about the little bit about the coding, how the SAP is working. That's but particular for the basis, you just need the basic things. Because my background is the desktop support engineer, I also got the opportunity to do in basis. That's why no restriction about just little things. You should know about the OS and administrator work. What do administrator in the system admin do in a regular basis? And apart from that, the little bit of technical knowledge, database knowledge is come, but after you join as a basis any company, then you need to be database knowledge just like HANA, and their stuff is other than, but initial level you should know the basic things. So that's.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos. Okay, that's good, Siddesh. So, Siddesh, can you also highlight what was the interview process? How you updated your CV? How many different company approaches? How many interviews you have given? And how many successfully you cracked? And what kind of technical question asked in the interview for the basis?
Okay. Just I giving the, this is my second interview where I selected. First interview was given as the MNC company, which is situated in Mumbai also. There I got the opportunity for the interview. I go for there and give the interview. I select in first technical round, and the second technical round I does not crack because they are to know cloud technology Azure. They specifically they want to that, but I know I know it, but they want to additional information from the Azure technology. That no, not that not my part. That's why I'm not selected in that company. After that, within 8 of August, I got the interview call from this company, Unipart, where I go as a drive is there, and I go to drive. And the first is the aptitude, general aptitude, which are the English basically apart from the aptitude and logical reasoning. This is a normal aptitude. Then I crack the aptitude, and they give me the chance for the second technical paper. Like the particularly in basis, what is the ECC components, how the basis is work, what is role and responsibility of the base consultant, what is the T code for the user admission, what is the upgradation process, how will the start SAP, the stop SAP is the SID. This is the basic question they ask. After that, the personal interview will happen in the basically particular technical domain. They asked me there what is the monitoring, how the daily tasks happen in basis technology, and what is the responsibility to monitor background jobs. The what T code are used for it. Tell me the steps of the installation of SAP. What is the product of SAP? What is the NetWeaver? What is the architecture of SAP Basis and SAP? What is the difference between the product of like NetWeaver and ECC? Tell me about that. And within the most of because I started as a fresher, they know to understand basic things of the basis, like the architecture of SAP. What is the different types of architecture, like applications layers? What is the in
Mhm.
presentation layer? What is in database layer? In application layer, what is the dispatcher? What is the message server? And what is the work processes? And tell me the user types. These all questions they are asked me. And after that, the normal HR round. In HR round, they asked me they put a situation where they told me, if your senior consultant is not there in company and something is happened, and you are responsible for the resolve for that resolution, what you do. Then I know told them that there is a certain SOP set by the senior consultant. We should follow that SOPs. If we're not solution from that SOP, we can do further research on because the SAP also provided our OSS, that SAP solution notes. And also there is a lots of things in SAP support.sap.com where I can find the solution. I don't leave it. I my best to resolve that is the HR round they asked me.
Very good answer. Very good answer. So you know that even when I take the interviews, it is not important that whether the other side person knows the solution or not, but it's more important that how he's approaching for solution, how much of attitude is showing that he is deserving to resolve the solution. If he does not know how to resolve it, whether he know that what kind of resources he can use to get it resolved, that is important. That's what you have shown. So that's very good.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. So you have highlighted so many of the interview questions which you have answered very well. So whether during the training itself you get the guidance, or after the training you
Yes, yes,
contacted
yes.
AJ and then he guided you for these kind of interviews?
From the first day of the training, sir, each and every topic, sir, reminds me that this is the interview question, this is the interview topic. They always highlight them. This is an interview question, you note it down, this is the answer for this interview. There are lots of questions. That's all question they asked me in the first interview or also in second interview. They are all covered by the AJ sirs or Aditya sir. They all are covered by the sir, because no other question asked apart from their question. They always highlighted this is the interview question, you note down and this will be asked, and interviewer asked that question. How
Okay.
no, it's predicted, but it's 100% right for that.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. So, so Siddesh, then now you have just joined. I hope that with the knowledge you have got, you will definitely do good in your current job. So, what is the future plans?
My future plan is the initially my future plan is learn lots of, because I told you SAP is the oceans of knowledge.
Right.
You can just dive into it and grab knowledge whenever you get from the any consultant, your senior consultant, any from the client sides, anywhere you got from the Google and from the Aditya search and from the Sastrageeks. Whenever you find the knowledge, grab it and apply it your day-to-day task in a basis. This is my first motivation for the 2 years. I decided that each and every aspects of basis consultants, I learn a lot. Then afterward, I try to achieve and apply which I learn in that 2 years, and learn to apply in that.
That's good. That's good. With that attitude, with that approach, I'm sure you will fly way, way ahead. So that's very
Okay.
good approach, Siddesh. Apart from that, I'm also giving you one job. Okay, there are a lot of people, that they become hopeless and they need some guidance. I'm guiding a lot. Over my LinkedIn, there are always every morning I wake it up, there are 50, 60 messages, sometimes 100 messages. I'm not able to respond each and every one. I've tried to respond to most of the people. So when we will be sharing this video, I want you to share your LinkedIn profile. So share your LinkedIn profile and help the people who need guidance, who need monitoring, because you have crossed one step, you have dig in, you have learned, and then now you're working as a basis consultant. Now it's our more a responsibility that the other people who are looking for help, who are looking for mentoring, who are looking for suggestions, please help them out over the LinkedIn. We'll be sharing your LinkedIn profile. So give
Okay, sir.
that LinkedIn
Sure, sir.
profile link and be open to guide other people. I think you can definitely do that. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I like to do that.
Okay, that's great. That's great, Siddesh. So with that, Siddesh, I would congratulate you on your success, and I also wish you a very good luck. Thank you for joining us in this episode. Thank you for giving your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Give me that opportunity for how my journey. My journey is a little bit, but you give me that opportunity to explain all of us what is my journey.
Every journey matters, every life matters, every success matters.
Yes,
That's what we
yes, yes,
say.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, so all of the people who are listening to us, keep listening. This is where we are ending us today. We'll be coming up with the next success story. So keep tuned. Thank you for joining today.